Now let us create the first part in the flange coupling. It is flange male part, and give the file name flange male. Okay, male flange, and choose the metric unit template. Okay, this has an interesting function, revolve. Choose the front plane and sketch the profile to revolve. First draw a line. Okay, this should be 4 mm. Okay, and the overall length should be 84 mm. So 480. Okay, this is the flange overall height. Then draw a line of the flange width. Okay, down, and then the profile like this. It will look like this. Okay, now give the dimension by 1. This is fixed 80 mm, not 80 mm. It should be 84 mm, right? 80 plus 4. And then this distance should be 29, because it is 58 mm dia hole for shaft assembly. This width is 26 mm. Okay, this height here to here, it's 22 mm. It's 22 mm, and this one should be 22 plus 20, so 42. This is 5 mm. Okay, and this, instead of giving like that, let's give to the datum. It is 112 divided by 2, so 106. Okay, and this one diametrically it is how much? It is 92. Okay, then 92 divided by 2. 92 divided by 2 is 46. Okay, now everything done. Okay, for the flange male, everything looks blue, navy blue. Then check for the feature requirement. Now since we have chosen the function revolve, we should draw a central line around which it will be revolved. So draw a central line. Now it's good to go. That's all. The flange has come up. Okay, this is what flange male. And there is other features like hole. Create a hole in this plane and choose the offset references in these two, and this one should be 0, and this one pitch diameter PCD divided by 2, so 158 divided by 2. Okay, 79. Now the depth of cut goes through all. Okay, you see the preview. it is going down, so you reverse the direction. Now you see that it's not coming up. Why? It has come. Okay, now it has come. That's all. Now there are four holes at equal distance, each equal angles. So you pattern this by choosing axis around which it is going to be placed, positioned. So axis is this one. There are four holes. Angle between the four holes is 40 degree each hole. Okay, between two holes. It's good to go. Okay. The final feature in this part is the kiwi. Now use the extrude command and draw a rectangle here at 6 mm. Okay, this should also be 6 mm and this should be 29 minus 6. Okay, 29, not 29, it is actually, what is the dia? It is 58 means 20. Okay, now 28. Okay, this one, that whole 58 by 29. Okay, minus 6 should be minus. Okay, let's make it minus 3 only, so 26. Okay, this should be 3 mm so that it will become symmetric to this axis on both sides. Now cut, remove the material, go through all in both directions because we will choose on the plane so that the sketch will become robust. Okay, done. The part modeling of male flange is done. Okay, and the female will have this feature downward. The similar way we have to use to clear it. Thank you for watching.